their PhD registration. So it can be used as a PhD thesis. You can use it as a single chapter. If you're publishing some 2-3 literature review paper, so this same literature review paper can be attached to the PhD chapter easily, so that you can avoid plagiarism problem during your thesis submissions. So the third one is like you can get some subject expertise, and you can get some collaboration through the research community. So these are all some of the main purpose we do literature review. So the literature review can be written in two approaches. The first one is chronological, and the second one is thematical. The chronological approach is like, I will tell a small example. For example, if you see a mobile phone before some 15 years, so first the thickness of the mobile phone will be some 10 centimeter or 20 centimeter, and which have a button, and it will be yellow light. So as per the changes, the time changes. The mobile phone has now the recent technology has some bendable mobile phones like 2 to 3 thickness mobile screens, and there will be touch phone, touch fingerprint options, front camera, back camera. A lot of new technology has been came. So as these years for a certain 5 years, this is the advancement in the technology, and other 5 years, this is the advancement. So these are all has been considered in chronological approach while writing the literature review. So in thematic way, I will tell you some of the example. So you can go in thematic way. What we will be doing is like as per the theme, we will be writing the literature review. For example, if I am having a shock absorber, I am doing some research in some shock absorber, like to reduce the vibration, it will be used in all of your vehicles or in cars. This shock absorber will be used. So what we'll be doing is like for designing, we will be writing some some articles. Then for numerical investigation, I request everyone to mute your audio. Or I request Akash to mute all the audio. Akash, okay. In thematic way, what you have to do is like, for example, the stock absorber is there. For designing, there will be some 30 articles will be there. Some analytical investigation, like in software, like ANSYS or some other software, the people used to do some research. So there, some people will be with the help of theme. Uh, some literature will be based upon that, and there will be some numerical investigation, some mathematical models, writing some models in some literatures. So based upon the theme, you have to write the literature review. So two approach you can write the literature review. One is the chronological order, and the second one is the thematical order. But for easily writing this literature review will be based upon thematic order. So I will be telling something about thematic order. So in thematic literature review, you can write, add some graphs or some flowchart of this chronological order also. So this is the structure of literature review: abstract, keywords, introduction, methods, body, discussion, and conclusion. Finally, references. So scoping. So how we will be searching this literatures or from Google Scholar, Scopus, Mendeley, and Crossref metadata. So Crossref metadata is currently mostly people are using, and Mendeley also many of researchers were using that. So how we are going to screen the literature? So first thing, you have to screen the literature based upon the title is very important. For example, if you are doing some research in a smart material, name is MR fluid. A fluid is a smart material. So I have to search in the Google Scholar MR fluid. So there will be so many themes are there. Like a fluid has a viscosity is a separate theme, and shear stress is a separate theme, and thickness of the fluid or sedimentation problem, or so many themes are there in between. So you have to search as per the theme, and you have to collect the literature. While you are collecting the literature, the literature you need minimum of 60 articles and maximum of 180 articles. So while copying the reference itself, you have to copy the literature in a APA format that is easier for you to publish. So you have to check the years. You should not collect the older articles, like in all the articles if you are writing like 1800 or 1990, all the articles. Some in introduction section, you have to write the basics of the articles, like who started and who fabricated or manufactured, from whom this was started. You have to write in introduction section. But in the remaining body of the section in literature review, you have to write only most of the recent articles from 2010 to 2020. So you have to write only the recent articles, so that your articles will be visible to the recent researchers those who are doing in your field. So you have to copy the text file. You have to open a text file. The basic step is you have to open a text file and you have to copy all the references like this. So you can see in the image, you have to open to the Google Scholar. You have to type, for example, I have typed MR fluid sedimentation, and there is a API format is there. You have to copy that and you have to paste in a Word file. So same like this, you have to paste it. It's like you can create like some 60 articles, minimum of 60 articles to 150 articles. You have to copy all the articles title. This is the first step to write this literature review very soon, very fast. The second way is you have to download all these articles. So there are two main options you have to download using Sci-Hub. So LibGen is the currently many people are using. You can copy this link. So these all slides will be shared in the WhatsApp group after one day. So you can get this link over that and you can download the articles, all the articles. If you find some difficulty for certain articles, so you can share to me in the mail, the same mail which I am mailing you. I will download and send you the articles. If you're feeling difficult to not, you don't send all the 60 articles and make me to download. So some articles you may not able to download from the reputed institute. So you can send me that. So you have to copy all the abstract and conclusion in a single Word file. So the first step is you have to copy all the title in a reference form from the Google Scholar. The second one is you create a folder and you download all the, for example, if you are having 60 articles, you download all the articles and you paste in a single folder. The third thing is, as you see here, the references will be there in the top, and the bottom it will be abstract. Abstract and the conclusion it will be mixed. So these are all the things have been done for all the 60 articles. So first there will be a reference and next it will be a abstract. So next you have already downloaded in a single folder. Now you have copied all the abstract. Now you have to create this Excel sheet and you have to separate as per the sheet, as per the theme. So in folder you will be not able to separate as per the theme. So you have to open each article and you have to separate as per the theme, as per the journal title, and how the results and conclusion were on what methodology they have done, and you have to categorize as per the theme. So next what you have to do is, if you are opening all the journals and you have to take some journal you don't find proper images, so you have to leave that journal, and what are the journal, the result or discussion or some graphical representation, some you can see in the screenshot some of the images. This I have written a literature review paper in 4 days. So I have opened a PowerPoint presentation and using a screenshot I have crop all the images and you pasted here, and I have used a border and you have to keep like A, B or something. And while rephrasing the sentences, you'll be copying paste all the abstract, but you have to rephrase all the sentences so that you will be those. Then only you can publish, because then you'll be getting 100% plagiarism. So plagiarism removal, you can use Quillbot and Grammarly. Both are the most used tools by the researchers. So this with the PowerPoint, you create all the images. So next it will be look like this. So you can see the images will be there, and now you can see all the figure. It will be like figure 2, figure 1. It will be there. First you copy all the figure and you can paste, and you have to rearrange the sentences. Then finally you paste all the images. So final editing only you can give figure 1, 2, 3, and each sentences you can write. Figure 2 shows that this is the definition of sedimentation ratio, and figure 3 says that this is the experimental setup. These are all the things it will be while you are in your final stage of your literature review. It will be goes on. So this is how you have to write step by step. If you go, it will be easier for you to write easily. So in each article you have to use these reporting words. Some articles in the abstract itself, the author will be writing that the article, the work presented here, or the work examined from this, or work conducted, or work compared. These are all will be available in the abstract itself. If some abstract it is available, you can use the same reporting words, or you can have these reporting words like discussed, studied, presented, investigated. So these are all, I have taken these all words from some of the top reputed journals. So you can use these kind of words and use for your study. So this is the final checklist you have to do before writing a literature review. You have to choose a proper topic. So proper topic, how it will come is you can go through a lot of literature review paper topic. Like if you search in Google Scholar review, or you type your topic field, for example, MR fluid review, if I type, there will be a lot of review articles will be there. So what you have to do is see how the title, it should be more, the topic should be cover the readers to read soon. Make cover, it should cover the readers. So according to that, you have to write the topic. And next thing is choose the literature which you are chosen as per the theme. That is very important, because for example, if I am doing some research in smart materials, MR fluid, if I am doing some research in sedimentation, so I have to download all the sedimentation article only, not other articles. So when you go to the sedimentation article, if I'm downloading 60 articles, so 60 articles will have some graph or some flow chart or something related to sedimentation. So I have to copy all the images from that. So if some people are doing some research in sedimentation, they don't want to go and study these 150 articles or 60 articles. Just if they read your article, they know that okay, these are the graphs. So this much research they have observed from this journal. So these are all the, if you're downloading from articles from 2010 to 2015, they know that those who are the researchers doing during these years, and they can easily contact that professors for collaboration or something. This literature review article will help them. So next is you can take notes while reading. So that is the like screening process. As I tell that you have to open a Excel sheet and you have to categorize as per the theme. That is very necessary, so that, because if you are if you am choosing a sedimentation theme and I am keeping some other articles inside that theme, so that it will be not irrelevant to the field. So fourth one is you have to decide the format of your review article. So each review article, if you are going to submit to a certain journal, so they have a certain template. Some journals it will be like table will be there. Some journal it will be tab will be there. Some journal it will be figure. Some journal it will be fig will be there. So these are all certain templates in several journals. Some journals they will have a separate template for even table. There are separate. So whatever the journal, if you are writing, you have to at least minimum of 10 journal reference you have to take from the same journal, so that it will be easier and it will be helpful for that journal reviewer to easily accept your journal. This is the simple. You should not put some 30, 40 or something. Minimum of the articles you have to download from the same journal, so that the journal will also need that they should increase their citations. So they will easily help you in doing some review and giving some corrections. Recently I was writing on review papers, 2, 3 review it came. As they are giving a one review point is like you can add some review articles from our own journals. Review articles are some normal technical papers. So the format is very important, and you have to focus on such a topic that most, for example, the current recent scenario is like most other people searching like AI in certain topics, machine learning, 3D printing. So when you are writing literature review, as much take some recent papers. Don't go for the olden papers. So take some focus on specific topic related to this latest technology, so that your paper can get more citation. Recently, I have written a literature review paper. Within 1 year, I got 60 citations, because as per the UGC criteria, after 2021, for your promotions and other things, this citation will be also considered for your promotions. So when you write during this quarantine time, if you are writing this literature review paper, that will help you. Another one thing, recently one of the students contacted me and I want to write some paper, but due to this corona, I was not able to get some results and not able to write some papers. But I have to go to some higher studies. He was in the third year. The fourth year, you want to go to the higher studies. So what he done is, I have given some tips to write this, like literature review. You can write like that. So I have done the basic stuff, like I have given a reference title and I have take the abstract and I have pasted and I have sent the word file to that fellow. So within 2 days, he have rearranged all the sentence using Quillbot and Grammarly rephrase sentence. But the main thing is your meaning should not change. Meaning should not change while rephrasing. So he done. Then I have done the image snipping using snipping tool. I have copied all the images and I have using PowerPoint and we have submitted to a journal. So within a week, even some professors said that, they don't have a research work, but from the management, so many they are telling you to write some paper and publishing articles within a year. You have to publish 2 articles. So in that case, you can use this literature review paper. You can spend some 1 or 2 weeks and okay. The thing is like you can all the faculties they can write this literature review paper during this quarantine time. So the next one is the structure is very important. So each section, for example, if I'm coming from writing a title and then abstract and keywords, introduction will be there. Then the structure of the literature review paper is very important. And main thing is here you can add some chronological data. For example, if I'm typing a smart fluid, so if I am typing a smart fluid or like say MR fluid in a Google Scholar or a Scopus, more than Google Scholar, you can use Scopus. Why? Because in Scopus, if you type a title, the last bottom there will be option like you can separate as per the year, like 2020, how many articles has published in the same title in 2019. So you can take the count and you can draw a flowchart so that the people those who are studying they know that this title as year goes on, easily they can see how the topic technology, even though the technology advancement is going on, as the advancement is going on, it will be easier. The people know that how much importance their research in their field is going on. Then the objective is very important in the literature review. And reliance, and after writing the literature review paper, kindly send this literature review paper to your colleagues to check how the flow and how the write up. Because not only you should write the same thing what they have done in the literature review paper. If for example, if I am writing a literature review paper, if some articles the results were not relevant, seriously I will say that this results it's not comparable, or this result is there is no way. Even if I can comment in that, because when these articles were published, these all 60 authors will get a citation in their Google Scholar profile. So they will check the literature review article is published. So they will go to 1 minute. Yeah, okay. They will go and check that what this author has been given suggestion about our article. So the main thing is this will be connecting. This literature will be connecting to most of the researchers, those who are doing in their research in their field. So include older studies. So this include of older studies is only for introduction, not for the body of the literature survey. Thank you. Now you can ask any questions regarding this literature review. So this PPT will be shared. This PPT will be shared in the same WhatsApp group as well as in mail. Within 1 or 2 days, we will be open that WhatsApp group to not from the admin post to everyone can share their views. So I will share this PPT. Then there are some journal names like Critic Reviews, Critical Reviews, some review journals are there, some Scopus Index journal. So that also I will mail you. You can submit your article there. So some people are facing problems in plagiarism because you have to rephrase all the sentences. The first thing you can do, copy all the references, but you will copy the abstract of the journals, but you have to rechange the sentences is very problem. So sometimes you can rephrase the sentence using software, so the meaning should not be changed. So if you're not, you can send to your some other colleagues, so they can rearrange the sentences, so that when the literature review articles change from one hand to other hand, so their writing skills will be different. Their words will be different, so that easily you can reduce the plagiarism. You can ask the question in the chat box.
Daniel, this is Dr. Aruna. Good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, we have Scopus Index journals, and they are charging some 8,000 onwards to 25,000 and all, depending upon their criteria or whatever it may be. But I came to know there are certain journals which do not charge any amount depending upon the quality of the article. Can you please suggest those type of journals who are not charging and still they are qualitative?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Means
ma'am.
they
In
are giving
engineering
importance.
category, there is a journal named IJE. IJE, there
IJ.
is a journal in engineering category.
Okay.
That is a free journal from it's a Iranian journal. They don't charge anything, but the minimum pages is 6 pages.
6
Only
pages.
6 pages
Okay.
you can write,
Okay.
but that is a problem.
Okay. Okay.
There are so many free journals. I will send you, ma'am. But the thing is, like,
Okay.
don't submit your journals in some paid journals. So recently, 1 month before, I received a mail that near to 9 to 12 journals they have removed from Scopus. So one browser asked me, I have submitted and it is accepted. Said I don't know whether my article will be coming accepted or not. So that is a problem there. So before submitting to the journal, there you can go to the Scopus. If you go to the
Yeah.
Scopus, there is an option called contact us in the bottom of the page. If you go to contact us, there is an option called email and chat box. If you go to the chat box and if you type the journal and whether that is indexed or not, you will get an immediate response.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, good morning, sir. This is Tamarvani. I'm Commerce Department.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, now the UGC have changed thing like for the paid thing only mostly they are in UGC list A, B, C, D they have categorized, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So only if you publish in all those things only it is worth they have told. So it is almost it is paid only, no? All the journals we cannot
Yes, ma'am.
unable to
Actually,
find it.
in management, most of the journals were paid. In management
Uh,
category, most of the journals were paid. In commerce also, I think the same. But UGC journals, you can submit, ma'am. Well, try to attend
Okay. But
some.
they are changing now. So first, before year when I was doing it, a few journals were there, the UGC list. But when my friends are doing it now, those journals are not there currently. With the
Ma'am,
fees,
there
with
is
the
a
minimum.
UGC website, ma'am. Those journals are approved by them. I will send you the. Are you in the WhatsApp group, ma'am?
Ah, yes, sir, I'm there.
I will send you that list, ma'am. I will send you the list. Otherwise, I will send you that link, ma'am. You can just type the journal and you can check whether that is listed in UGC or not.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir. But it is getting changed, sir. That's what I need to get
Ma'am, it may be
clarified.
changed, ma'am. But when you are publishing, when your article is published,
Then,
we
okay,
have to check that
with
whether
the
that is indexed or not.
okay, okay. So if you come to know anything with the minimal fee, something like that, please tell that also in the WhatsApp
Okay,
group,
ma'am.
sir.
There are minimum for UGC. There are minimum fee from 1,000, 2,000. There are many journals are there.
Okay, so please kindly suggest me something.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
In SCA, there is a question like some review journals with SCA. I think Anand RS is my colleague in Karnu University. So SCA journals and SCA expanded. So SCA, it's a literature review paper. It is little very hard to publish. So SCA expanded, it is little bit AC. So SCA and SCA expanded, there is no much processing charges in most of the journals. They are like elsewhere. They don't no article charges will be there. So recently I checked, there is an article named like critical reviews, a title of the journal. So that journal has it's a Scopus indexed only. That is accepting most of the review papers very soon. Within 1 or 2 months, you can publish some review articles.
Sir,
thank you, sir. Thank
Thank you. Any other questions?
sir,
So within a week, try to write latest review paper. And if you have any queries like plagiarism removal or plagiarism checking, you can mail me through the same mail ID. I will help you. If you want to check the plagiarism for the article also, I will help you. Anything you can text me personally, and also you can call me anytime, and you can mail me also. Any help regarding this literature?
And sir, one more question, sir, from Tamarvan itself.
Good evening, madam.
And they say that when we check the plagiarism personally, it will be shown when we submit it to the universities and all those things. That not so with this Grammarly and Fullbox and also.
Can you tell me once again?
No, sir.
Can you ask your
When
question
we
once again?
personally check, when we personally check the plagiarism, they say that in the universities and all they suggest that you don't check personally. You write up and bring everything fully because once you check, it will get uploaded in the net And when we are checking finally in the university, it will show us plagiarism monthly, obviously.
No,
So
no.
don't do
The
this personally.
plagiarism, there are some in the plagiarism. There are some problems. The thing is like, for example, if I am submitting a journal in some, for example, Turnitin, if I am submitting, there is an option called you can exclude the sources. For example, if I am submitting once and I am getting the plagiarism report, so my article will be some 40% of plagiarism. So then I will do all this English correction and plagiarism removal tools. I will do all the things and I am submitting. Actually, I am doing all these grammar corrections. So my article plagiarism should be some 20%, but it will show some 100% or something. Something. Why? Because the article which I already submitted will also show the plagiarism because you have submitted to the internet, like Turnitin, it is public, so it will show. There is an option called exclude sources. So if you click that option, so previously submitted thing will be removed, and the newly it will be checking the plagiarism, so that it will be some come to 20%. So again, I have to do some correction, do some plagiarism thing. The main thing is if you search in Shodhganga or some other PhD thesis has been submitted in Shodhganga, I have checked some of the paper using plagiarism. But when you are doing some final check, there will not be much plagiarism. But before submitting, because some institute there is a library option is there. Some institute they are clicking with the Turnitin itself, the students itself checking the plagiarism and they are submitting. So you are telling about submitting the thesis or submitting in the journal, ma'am?
These also they suggest these only I'm telling, sir, not the papers.
Okay, thesis.
No.
So actually thesis is the main concern that the academic research department from various colleges they have to consider that, and without plagiarism they should not submit that online.
Okay.
So before getting from the students, we have to thoroughly check that whether if some faculties are there, they have to check their students whether without plagiarism they are. The plagiarism, most of the plagiarism will come only through the literature review chapter in the PhD thesis. So, for example, for my PhD thesis, what I did is I have published 3 literature review articles. So, these 3 literature review, so 3 sections will be there. So, these 3 sections I added in my literature. So, this is already published under my name only. I am a corresponding author for my article. So that easily I have gone through from that plagiarism problem for my thesis.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir,
Hello, sir.
sir, I had a doubt, sir, that whether we can make an advancement for our research by reading so many literature papers.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir, it's audible, sir. You can tell.
yeah, by reading so many research papers in my research title, and we can make advancement for that literature without doing our experiment.
Sir, just 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. Sir, now you can ask your question, sir.
So that's what I'm asking means, if we want go through for our literature advancement, our research advancement, we are reading so many papers and making for that advancement in our literature, in our experimental. Without doing any experiment, we can publish paper or not by making.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, without doing experiment or any analytical work, we can publish using this literature review. Literature review is how this is helping some researchers is like. For example, if I am doing PhD, I am registered. So my faculty or research supervisors ask me to write some download 150 articles and go through all the literature review or something else. So for reading all the 150 articles, first I will read one literature review paper only. Because in literature review paper only I know who are all working in this field, who are all the professors, they are all from which institute, they are from which lab. So these are all the collaboration. How see for example, recently I published an article. By how that content came is only through literature review. So he is the associate editor of a certain journal. He's the associate editor of a certain journal. So what he said is, you write a literature review paper and you send me. I have sent him. He had done some corrections. like a lot of English correction, lot of correction he has done, and finally I have add his name as a co-author in my journal, and he is associate editor of the journal. So I sent the same article to the same journal. So recently he has mailed me that editor in chief has mailed me that this article will be considered for publications. So the thing is like this literature will be help you to get collaboration from various professors without doing any experimental or any analytical work. You can write papers because your literature is mainly you are assessing some other work, some other research work has been done earlier. So what but the thing is like just you should not write this the work has been presented, he has done this, he has done this. You have to give a lot of comments. So if they done this work also, this work will be better. uh, some paper, for example, while I am writing literature review paper, if some graph may be missing, but they have done the research work, but they will type the result only, this much percentage has been observed or something else. So I will ask them, if you write in a better if you write in a graph or a better way, this will be these are all comments that these all comments you have to be shared uh, in the literature review. So main thing is, even if you are uploading your paper in Turnitin or Urkund or any other sources, you have to delete that fast. Even though delete sometime while you are submitting in Turnitin, you will get that submitted by some institute. So that all has to be excluded. There is a excluded option in Turnitin and some other plagiarism software.
Okay, sir. But this is also one part of the paper publishing, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So there's a question like any Scopus journalist for civil engineering. There are so many journals. So I will send in that WhatsApp group, or you can mail me personally. So there is no any free software for plagiarism removal. There are online so many SEO tools are there. So there that is not, some tools were proper and some tools may not be proper. So kindly ask your librarian or some other ask your institute to subscribe to some plagiarism software. So you can use that if you are finding difficulty. So our company is Manuscript Media. Actually, this is a newborn company. We are working for just only 3 months. So in the past 3 months, what we are doing is only we are helping to write literature review paper. We are plotting a lot of graphs for the research papers, helping to write thesis and plagiarism removal. These are all the work only we are doing. So if you are not, if you are finding any difficulty, we will be helping you. So if you want to check any plagiarism, you can mail me. I will check and I will send you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, my name is Vijay Kumar, sir.
Sir, you can ask your question, sir.
Hello.
Ah.
Sir, while writing literature review, one of my guides suggested so you check in Grammarly software while writing content. You check it in Grammarly. So it is useful for us. Okay, sir.
Grammarly is useful. In a Grammarly itself, there is a paraphrase tool is there, sir. You can use that also.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is like
Okay,
the meaning should not be changed, sir.
Okay.
Even there
So
is
while
I
doing
heard
this,
like
yes, 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 tell me, sir.
in Quillbot, there is a online app, online software called Quillbot, Quillbot. So there it will rephrase the sentence very well. But the problem is, for example, brick. If I am typing brick, so it will come as a block. So that is a problem there. But certain words cannot be replaceable in certain sentences. So that should be very carefully. You have to notice that.
Yes, sir. So while writing a literature paper, so literature article, how many answers we should follow, sir?
Sir, so can you type the question? So one person asked that, can you share the list of Scopus journals? So the thing is like nearly so many journals. I hear that some 20 to 30 journals has been not listed in Scopus recently. So many paid journals and so many things has been not listed. Listed. For that, what you have to do is before submitting to the journal, you can ask the journal in mail. or the second option is you can contact directly to Scopus. There is a contact option. You can mail them or you can chat with them and you can ask them whether this journal is indexed in Scopus or not. Rightly, most of the time you try to publish in some unpaid journal. Sir, Vijay Kumar
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you can ask your question.
Yes, sir. While
So,
writing in
while,
literature
yeah,
review
Thank you, sir.
articles, how many reference we should?
yeah, for minimum you should write nearly 60 articles, sir. Minimum 60 and maximum you can go to
60.
150 to 180. Minimum 60 is must, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, actually, we are not in WhatsApp group. Can you add it WhatsApp group?
Sir, actually we
So
have
we'll get easily.
we have mailed you the WhatsApp group, sir. Sometimes the mail may be in your mail. Your mail may be
Yeah.
in the spam option because I am mailing
No, sir.
from my
One of my
Gmail.
colleagues said this.
So other one, you can text me, sir. You can text me. I will send the WhatsApp group, sir. So within 1 or 2 days,
Yeah,
this WhatsApp group will be open to everyone. So you can ask you can add your colleagues also.
Okay, sir. This is my number. Just now I sent to you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, it is so many texts there. It is not easy to follow. I think you have my number. You can text me your phone number there. I will add. Sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, actually,
So
while
sir,
writing bibliography and all, so one more question, sir. The last question.
okay.
So while writing in literature review and all, after going to write bibliography and writing references, so is there any software? So while putting a PDF, we get a publication and the publisher and all. Is there any software managing tools is there, sir?
Software for
The references, sir. Managing the tools. Software tools is there, sir?
sir
Well,
for reference
tools.
you can use Mendeley, sir. Mendeley. Mendeley software, that is it's a nice software. You can use online as well as in a like small tool is available. You can use that also.
Okay,
Most
sir.
of the people are using Mendeley, sir. There is a online crossref metadata, CROSSREF metadata, META DATA. You can, if you go there, you can have all options like you can download in API or any other format. You can use it, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Another question is like they saw a professor saw a review paper for there is a 1800 reference. The thing is like the main topic is today is we have to write a literature review paper in a weekend. So minimum of 60 to 150 articles is enough to publish in a short period of time. Yeah, all this information will be shared in WhatsApp group. Hope everyone is in the WhatsApp group. If you are not in the WhatsApp group, kindly text to this mobile number displayed here. Just your number, I will add in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions, sir? Any proposals?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Can you suggest any graphing tools, sir?
Any
Graphing tools, sir.
grammar tools?
Graphing. In journals, we are
Graphing
writing.
tools. Origin is the best tool, ma'am. Origin
Any
is the
other,
best
sir?
tool. Any other, ma'am? Actually, another one thing. Recently, I have drawn some graph with the help of Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet itself, the recent version like 2019 or 2018 recent version, if you go,
Okay, sir.
you can even I can. So I will text you that. You can text me personally. I will text you some of my graphs, ma'am. Those
Okay,
graphs were
sir.
drawn in Excel only. You won't
Okay,
believe
sir.
that is like it's more, it's nice. Even that most of the thing your graph should be in 300 dpa. Most of the college they
Yes, sir.
expect that.
Yes, sir. Actually, one of my paper was rejected, sir, because of the
Okay.
graphs. So
Okay.
there was started in Excel sheet. So
Okay.
this is the problem I am facing while publishing the journals. So is it MATLAB sufficient, sir?
MATLAB also you can submit sufficient. If you have more graphs, because see most of the articles we will have some minimum of 5 to 10 graphs. So
Yes,
MATLAB
sir.
is also okay, ma'am. The tutorials are available in so many tutorials are available in YouTube now. How to
Yes, sir.
plot X and Y graphs in MATLAB. You can go through that. For Origin,
Okay, sir.
there are cracked version also available.
Okay, sir.
You can go through and you can do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So your certificates, the participants, all the certificates you will be received before tomorrow evening. We are uploading that in a Google Drive, and it will be open as per the chronological order of your uh, name and the date you have registered. It will be in order as per the alphabet name. Like for example, Daniel is there. You can go to the D and you can download your certificates.
Sir, you can directly send to the mail ID, because again going to Google Drive and getting the certificates from there, it would be a difficult one, because sometimes they are not getting downloaded in some systems.
So actually, like
Because most of the webinars or most of the things that are taking place nowadays, they are sending through mail only, sir. I think that is an ideal solution rather than putting it in a drive.
okay, that will
Because
consider,
some,
ma'am.
yeah, please come again,
That
sir.
we will consider, ma'am. We will consider, ma'am.
Okay, and also regarding the list of Scopus index journals and UGC care journals, what you were telling, you can also put them in the mail also. Because anyhow, you
Yeah,
have sent the mail,
sure.
right, for registration and all.
So for
So I
somebody, the
think,
mail, I received some calls in somebody not able to receive their mail. Some mails may be in their spam. So kindly check your spam also.
sure, sir, sure, that we'll do. But it's better if you provide the same through mail only, because anyhow we have registered through mail ID, and also we have joined this session also through mail, right? So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think this is an ideal one.
Okay, ma'am. That also we'll consider.
Okay, sir, thank you.
So there is another question that they have published some uh, journal in UGC. So Google Scholar account, how can you can create? So that is, I request that friend to contact me personally. I will tell you how to create an Google Scholar ID. And in your Google Scholar ID itself, you can add your all the articles manually. There is an option that you can search your article title and you can click and you can add it to your profile. If it is not possible, you can manually type the journal, whatever the pages, uh, you can do that. So kindly contact me personally. I will help you.
Sir, one more question. Like, should we register ourselves in the Scopus Index, or because already we have
No, no.
published our papers in Scopus Index?
Another one thing is there. Some journals, their template will be like, for example, my name is Daniel C. So some
Okay.
journals they are asking Cruz as the first name. So you have to write like that, Cruz Daniel. Some journal it will be Daniel Cruz. So some journal I will be writing Daniel C. So the problem is, while from the journal publications they are sending to the Scopus, they will search by typing the name Daniel Carnegie University, or as per the ORCID ID they will search. If your ID is not found properly, they will create a new ID. So sometimes there may be one or two IDs, but finally what they used to do is, you have to go to. Recently, I also had the same problem. So I go to the in the Scopus there is a contact us option. You can chat to them, and I have sent them both article ID, both Scopus ID are same. So kindly use this as a primary ID, and I have used that, and I am using that only.
Okay,
You
sir,
have to
the
contact
number,
Scopus, no other way, ma'am.
sir, the number printed on this screen, is this your personal number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's my personal number.
Yeah, yeah. If any doubts regarding as such,
Sure,
I
ma'am.
would be
Sure, ma'am.
contacting you.
Anything, ma'am. If somebody you are interested to, for example, you are interested to share some knowledge or something, you can also contact me. That we will help to arrange meetings like this. They may expertise in some field. They may interested to share their knowledge. We'll help you for that.
Uh, Good morning, sir. I'm
Good morning,
Shailesh.
sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Sir, actually, I wanted to ask regarding as I'm from the construction civil engineering background, and
Okay, sir.
I'm vocational trainer as well. So I'm
Okay, nice,
going
sir.
to I'm working on research related to the construction practices. So
Okay.
there we I am facing challenges at a lot of practices that are established in books or journal. Those are specification. There is a trend that the changes there are changes in practices compared to
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
specific.
Yes, sir. Subject is
Can
different
we
from construction practices.
method statements? Yes, practices. Can we use the method statement as a reference for the literature survey?
Construction practices reference can be used for the literature survey. So no, sir.
Meaning method statements of
Literature
different
review,
organizations.
literature review article. Most of the literature review article, the reference will be the earlier published one. Sometimes it may be a thesis or maybe a patent or a research article. So earlier other literature review paper also can be cited in a literature review paper. But the thing is, don't try to add more, add citation to your own profile, because the currently the new MHRD order I have seen recently. It's like for the self citation there is no mark.
Okay.
Sir.
Sir.
Means we cannot add the method statement. We cannot refer the method statement.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you. For construction practices, as you say, there is there is a journal called Practice Design and Construction. That is a journal from AACE, sir. So AACE, hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
It is a AACE journal, sir. You can text me personally. I will send you the title of the journal, sir. You can search like Practice Design of Construction or something. It will be the title of that. The editor-in-chief is Solomon Kadira. Solomon Kadira is editor-in-chief. So they are accepting journals, not a review paper. They are accepting journals, all the practical problems, real life problems. But the thing is, you need some data, experiment data, and some content, live experiment thing. So most of the journal, if I go there, if you see the journals, it will be like some experimental real life. For example, if I am doing some research in a small prototype, now I am implementing the same thing in a research lab or a live with a real model. So these are all the data experimental thing are submitted to the journal. So most of the industrialist and like construction practices work has been submitted there. But it is a top reputed journal. You have to write more. So another one.
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Satyavani from MLR Institute, Hyderabad.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Satyavani from MLR Institute, Hyderabad. Sir, I just wanted some information regarding postdoctoral research. I mean, can I just make a call on your personal number, because that is a big thing of discussion. So I don't want to disturb this session as such.
Postdoctoral fellow, my main suggestion is like currently NPDF is opened, ma'am. NPDF, I think May 31st is the last date, I think. National Postdoctoral Fellowship. You have to contact a professor. Don't, for the NPDF, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. For NPDF, kindly don't select faculties from your same location. For example, if I am from Kanyakumari, I should not select a person from Kanyakumari. Or even from Chennai, I should not select. If I selected from Delhi or some other place, easily you will get. Another one thing, for some postdoctoral fellowship, what the people are doing is they won't select the person those who completed PhD. They select the person earlier completed the postdoctoral fellow, easily you will get. That is another option. Or if the professor should be well named, or they must be connected with AICT or DST or some funding agencies. If the professor getting lot of funds, easily you will get.
Okay. Sir, I actually wanted a little more inputs. I'll just give a call personally, sir, so that we won't disturb this session as such, because that is a separate thing as such.
Yes,
okay. Can I make a call, sir, separately?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Any questions?
Sir?
Hello, sir.
Sir, for completion of the PhD, in which journal we have to publish, sir? Which will be the good and...
So recently, one student from BITS Hyderabad. His professor is from North, some US university. So what he has done is he has completed some 5 years, but till he has lot of work, but he has not published any work. But now his professor is telling that within you publish some 2 journals, I will make you to complete, and you can submit to some journals. For example, some colleges they are asking you have to publish 2 Scopus Index journals. So now he has I have helped him little bit. So he has published on journal recently. He submitted on journal. So his professor says that you have some 2-3 works, and while going for the PhD review or final viva voice, he'll be telling that 2-3 articles this is under review and this has been submitted to the journals, and 2 articles has been published. So that is enough. So IJE, one journal, Iranian journal. So he has published one journal there, and second journal he submitted there.
Oh. Sir,
It's like,
one more.
so for easy option, I will tell you, if you are in are you a PhD scholar,
Yes, sir.
for the literature review itself, try to publish one paper in Scopus at least. So
Okay,
remaining
sir.
when the work starts, your experimental or numerical work, any other part, you try to publish that, and easily you will
Complete my
publish
PhD.
2 journals. Yeah.
Sir,
So
what
these are all
I'm
these are all are going to change as going on. See, the thing is like previously, a master students can be complete PhD easily, not complete PhD. Master students is eligible for lecture. So now from 2021 July, the changes is going to come. All only PhD scholars going to be a faculty. So after 10 or 15 years, it will be going to those people having postdoctoral fellowship or some criteria will come.
yes,
So
sir.
as much as increase your profile. See, previously it is like for your for the faculty for increment or anything, only publication and teaching appraisal, your students mark and other thing is a criteria. So the current criteria is online courses, online workshops, certificates, and internship you have to attend, papers, patent, projects. So many criteria were there for your promotions and other things. So try utilize during this quarantine time. Try utilize how much lecture. Even just 1 week, I have 10 certificates organized. I am from Kanyakumari, like Chennai Institute of Technology, Alde Institute of Technology. So many institute lecture webinar series I am attending. Sometimes you may not get certificate some certain webinar series, but you go to the session and you take a screenshot and you go like you. The thing is like you are gaining some knowledge anyway.
Yes, sir. But what I mean to say is,
Previously, before quarantine time, we don't have such facilities. Before quarantine, we don't have such facilities. But now, see, even before quarantine, we are helping to some researchers for writing research help, plagiarism checking, plagiarism removal. So these are all the things. So we are not a big. We are not doing the big thing. Like 3 months, we are doing these are all the works only. But now only we are going to this workshop series. So this is the second session today we are doing.
sir, what I mean to say is, sir, if though we didn't did any experimental work, we studied so many literature, and we can go to one conclusion that this can be happen by these things, and we can publish a paper without doing any experimental work.
No sir, no sir, no sir.
No, okay, sir. Thank you very much.
So in the mail the PPT will be sent to you. So another one thing from this group I will tell you, like from 3-4% from Kashmir, they are not able to send this payment and other things. So finally I think they are also here. Without any
Hello,
payment
sir.
we are allowed. Hello madam.
Hello. Ha, good morning, sir. How can we install? Hello, sir.
Install?
How can we install Origin software for long time?
So you have to go in YouTube. There are
Means
so many
there is a limitation regarding for downloading Origin software.
Yes, ma'am.
36, 20 days, 30 days, and all.
Hello ma'am, there is a website called Get Into PC. Get Into PC. You can download all the software for freely, or you can
Okay.
refer some. Recently, I have downloaded Origin using YouTube. The YouTube there is a link. For example, some 3 to 4 minutes video. If you go through that, but it will be a cracked version only. It will be for 6
Okay.
months or 1 year.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
So another one thing, while participating in workshop, kindly join in some quality workshop. There are so many workshops there. Yesterday I have seen some. There's IT company. It's a small company. Due to quarantine, they are conducting some with their workers. They are conducting some workshop. Try to join some quality workshop and seminars and gain some knowledge. There are in NPTEL. There are so many sessions are going on for everyone.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, madam. Any other questions? Any help regarding this literature review or any other technical paper? You need any help? Kindly mail me. So we'll end up this session.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Wonderful
sir.
session. This is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.